Never juggle between cards again. Why Euro unlock the effortless power of Apple Pay with multiple payment methods for ultimate flexibility. First, let's open the Wallet app. You'll recognize its familiar icon on your home screen. To add a new card, tap the plus symbol, usually found in the top right corner of the Wallet screen. Then, select credit or debit card to begin the process of adding another payment method. From here, you can either scan your card using the iPhone camera or opt to enter the details manually. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirm with your bank. Once added, you'll see all your linked cards neatly organized within the Wallet app. This is your central hub for all your payment methods. Now, when you're ready to make a payment, simply wake your iPhone by lifting it or tapping the screen. Your default card will appear automatically. If you want to use a different card, just double-click the side button to bring up your entire card selection. You can easily scroll through your other cards by swiping left or right on the screen. Find the one you want to use. Once the desired card is displayed, simply hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal. You'll feel a gentle vibration and see a check mark when the transaction is complete. To change your default card, which is the one that shows up first, go back into the Wallet app, tap on the specific card you wish to make default, and then tap Default Card. You'll then see an option to set it as your default. This ensures your preferred card is always ready for quick payments. Managing your cards in Apple Pay gives you unparalleled control and flexibility for every purchase, making your mobile payments smarter and more convenient.